okay, over the next few months, I'm going to open up the website and the YouTube channel to other dome builders. I get a fair few people saying they build domes and I don't anymore, but can you recommend somebody? So the idea is, if I stick a page up on the website, the Geodome website, that says here's a bunch of people who can build a dome, and the people who want domes built can contact them directly. So I'm going to set that up. If you're interested in starting to build domes, or if you've built one from the plans and you'd be interested in building one for somebody else, that would be for you as well. You could always put your name down. And if you have a dome building business, that would be also something that I'd be interested in promoting. The idea here is that I promote geodesic dome structures of all types by all people as much as possible. The channel's got a few subscribers now, and the website's ranks reasonably well in Google. So there's an opportunity there for anyone really who builds domes, who likes to build domes, to get in touch, and I'll see if I can't promote your business or your projects. What does it cost? Nothing is the short answer to that. I'm not really interested in charging for promotional videos. If it's in a different country and you pay my expenses, I'm quite happy to do that. You can contact me through the Geodome website. I'll put a new contact page up on there on the Geodome site, because it's a bit hitty missy at the minute getting in touch with us. The reason for this is that I want to put more time into the YouTube channel, and I've got a couple of books to write, so I need to put time towards that. So I won't be available quite so much for adjusting plan sizes and consultation on dome builds. I'm hoping to get this done by spring 2019, so sorry for the inconvenience, but hopefully I'll get back to people's requests and things like that next spring. But I really need to get these couple of books done. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, stick them down below, and hopefully over the next few months you should see some other dome projects.